What's going on, guys? I'm just back with another video. Got my motor back. I took it to Top Dog Racing right there in Damascus, Oregon. What I got done to this thing is I got a cool head. I'm running on pump gas because I can't afford that at the moment because I'm only 19. But I got that. I got a race port going on. I did a whole bottom end on this thing. We're pretty much complete motor rebuild. But what happened to the bottom end and what really needed me to get work to this thing in general was my clutch broke and the plate cut the crank seal on the crankshaft, and yeah, I just totally messed everything up inside. It's an alright build. I didn't go 4 mil because just couldn't really afford it, sadly. Next time probably put a 4 mil in it, but yeah. So I'm not going to install this tonight, but I'm going to start prepping the bike more for preparation to get that in. So yep, let's get started. Alright, I'm back. The first things I'm going to do are I'm going to put these new chrome V-bars on, as well as the new sprocket in the rear. So yeah, I think I'm going to do a couple other things, like put some bolts on the side covers for my motor, and I think that'll wrap it up for the video, but there's more to come. Alrighty guys, I got the rear sprocket on, and then I got the grab bar on. Now I need to take the grips and all the other crap off the handlebars up front and then put the new ones on. Alright guys, I'm back. I got the V-bars installed and everything mounted back up. I need to find a better spot to mount my brake lines. The stock one mounts to this spot right here, but with this one that came with the A-arms they're extended 2 inches on each side, the brake lines, to compensate for the A-arms. And there's no good spot to really mount them, I found. Well, at least so far. I can adjust this to tilt the angle a little bit, but I'm not too sure what I should do. Other than that, I got the black sprocket mounted and everything. I know I need to turn the tabs to keep the bolts on, but I'll do that later. I need to get a new wire a new cable for my clutch. I need to get a new throttle cable. Actually, no, that came with the Tor's Delete for the carburetors, but yeah, it's slowly coming together. The V-bars look pretty nice. I got the rear grab bar on. I need to get a new one of those. I need to get a bumper. I think that's pretty much going to wrap up tonight. I think I'm going to put that cover on right there, and then I think that's going to be it for tonight. Got things I got to do tomorrow, but yeah, she's coming along pretty well. Hopefully I'll have this thing running probably next week and get a couple videos for you. So yeah, anyways guys, see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, I'm back with another video. I'm here with my bud Tristan. We got the motor in earlier today. I got the clutch cable hooked up and stuff. I got the new throttle cable attached for the Tor's Delete. If you guys don't know, that's what the Tor's looks like. They're straight junk. Most people buy this delete kit on the carbs. You have to tap into the side of the carburetor, like right there, and you put in a little idle screw. And I think I might have this bike running by in the next couple days. I just need to go and get some pilots tomorrow for the carburetors and some gear oil and radiator coolant, and a chain, and then she'll be ready to rip. What's going on guys, I'm back. I don't know what video this will be in. I have a couple other ideas, but I got her all back together. She's running. I'm just putting some heat cycles in her before I put some knobbies on this thing, and I take on the road to keep breaking it in a little bit, because I'm going riding this Monday. I don't know when this video is going to be up, but hopefully before then. Yeah, I'm going riding. I just need to make sure everything's broken in. Don't worry, I'm going to put outerwears on those filters. I got them in the bag over there. Yeah, she's running good. I just need to up the idle a little bit. It's idling a little low. But other than that, it seems to be doing good. The clutch is a little stiff. That's my only complaint. But hopefully maybe that'll loosen up. I'm not too sure. But yeah, here she is. Quite a big transformation. She looks pretty good. and hopefully you'll be seeing some videos of her soon.